Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are opening up another Allure beauty box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up another Allure beauty box. This one is for the month of June, and if you don't know, Allure beauty box is a $15 a month subscription. I've had this subscription over a year. If you're not sure of what subscription you should get, this is the one I recommend all the time first. So I'll have the information underneath the video so you guys can check it out. Basically, every month you get beauty products. You get full-size products, which for the cost, it's very rare to find a subscription box that's gonna give you a full-size product, right? So every month it actually comes in this box like here. Last year, I believe it was last year, or maybe the beginning of last year. It used to be red, but they switched up the box, but I don't care. I love the products inside, so that's not what we're here for the box, right? Let me know in the section, in the comments below, if you get the Allure beauty box. If you like it, would you recommend it to your friends? I definitely love it, so I definitely always recommend this one to my friends. All right, so every month you get the products, right? But every month you actually also get a booklet, and it gives you like a description of the full retail size. I'm sorry, the full retail price of the product. If you want to buy the retail price of it, it does give you a coupon code that you guys can use. So I will definitely, I love it because you actually see if you're getting the value for the box each month. Okay, so the first one I have here, so this is Belief. This is the True Cream Belief Aqua Balm. Let me see. This is Aqua Balm. Yeah, this is the Aqua Balm aloe vera. So that's actually different. I actually just reviewed, if you haven't checked it out, go to my blog or on the YouTube, like this is like a thing, but either on my blog or YouTube, I actually reviewed the Aqua Balm cream. That I'm not going to give you my review, but you can go check that video out, or if you're looking on my blog, you can check that out. I love Belief, so I would definitely recommend that for you, but this one I don't believe I've ever heard of yet, and this is different because usually it's black on the top, but this is definitely different. So let's see. So this is green. If you've ever used, if you've ever used the Aqua Balm, you guys know that that's blue inside. This is green. It's lightly scented, but it's not really a scent. So usually the products are like natural products. So this one is green, obviously for aloe vera. Let me just put a little bit of this cream on it. And it actually feels in and kind of smells like the Aqua Balm. So if you like Aqua Balm from Believe, then you're gonna love this one. It feels definitely similar to it. It's clear, and there you go. Let me see what the retail value for this one is. Let's see. The retail value for this one is actually $38, and it says, let me see here. Oh, okay, so I just wanted to read because it says something about hair and I'm like, what? The booklet throws you off. So the booklet gives you like the editor's version of their experience. Sorry, I had a call that interrupted the video. But what I was trying to say was, usually like it goes through like a whole paragraph of a story and you're like, seriously, get straight to the issue. Does it work or does it not work? So that one, it throws me off. She started talking about her hair. But I was like, is this for your hair? Because I thought this was your skin, but for your skin. So I'm like, wait, what? So this is for your skin. She's just talking about how she's been using aloe vera for her hair and excited to use this. The original Beloved Hydrator is still available. I don't know. It feels to me, because I'm not going to go through this whole story, but the retail value for this is $38. And then for me, if, like I said, if you love the Aqua Balm from Believe, then this is the exact same thing, but it's aloe vera, which is probably more natural than the other one. I'm not too sure, but this doesn't give full description. On my blog, I'll give you the description fully so you guys can check that out and see if that would work better. Now the next thing I have here is from La Roche-Posay, and it says Active C10. That's what it says there, but let me see exactly what this is exactly so we can figure it out. Okay, so this is La Roche 10 Active C10. It says the retail value for this is $49.99. It says this is cream basically used for dark spots and sensitive skin, and it also has vitamin C on it. So let me see, concentration, laboratory, just random words. I don't know what they're talking about, but it's for dark spots, which is fine. Usually I have dark spots under my eyes because of my allergies, and this is not a really big cream, which is fine because if you're using just dark spots, it says here they use it for brightening treatment. So this is probably not one that you're going to continue to use. It's probably like a one-time, once a week use. Let me see. Apply morning and evening. Okay, well this is actually one of this. It kind of reminds me of Sephora Play. Sephora Play used to give us little Smurf products like this before. This is very small for Allure. They usually don't give you small products like that, but it could be because this is $49.99, which is fine. I don't mind giving this a try just to, you know, so I can see if this is something I would want to purchase, since it is $49.99, so that's not cheap. All right, so the next thing we have here is from Yensa. This is Super 8 Lip Oil. So that's what that looks like there. The retail value for this is $28. And let me see. So this is basically oil in pink shine. So let me see. Obviously, this one would be a full-size product. Probably, well, not probably, but because it's a lip, you don't usually lipsticks and lip oils, things like that. Usually, oh yeah, definitely a full-size product. So that's cool. And then let me see about the color, because this seems to be a little bit bright. But usually with lip oils, it's not, oh yeah, this is not bright. So you can, I'm gonna actually put this on. So see it, and it has a smell to it. So this was like, wait, what? So this actually has a smell to it. And if you see there, it's light pink, but it smells smooth. So I definitely like it. I like the smell of it. So this is definitely one I would actually purchase again. Let me see if they talk about like it says it's close to a popsicle stain. I'm trying to see if there's like a scent to this, because this definitely has a scent, but it doesn't say that there's a scent. But it smells like there's a scent to it. So it has like a sweet scent. It says it has vitamin E. Hold on. Let me so you guys can see this here. It says it has vitamin E, coconut avocado seed oil. But the scent to it, it's kind of like a sweet scent. It says it's a popsicle stain. Maybe that's the scent that they're going for, but I like it. So I definitely would buy it. I would actually buy this. And the retail value for this one is actually $28. So that's crazy, but I like it. So that one was good. All right, and then the next thing we have here is from Dashing Diva. It says this is gloss. So this is Dashing Diva Ultra Shine Gel Palette. And the retail value for this is $9. So as you can tell, these are manicure salon gels. It says Ultra Shine Gel Palette. So that's what that looks like here. And you just put this on your nails, obviously. I'm actually gonna try this because usually when I put nail polish, it always chips. But I prefer to do something like that. I haven't tried that before yet. So I don't know. If you guys tried anything like that before, I have not. So I'm super curious as to see how that would work. So let me see. Okay, so it tells you on the back how to apply and then take it off. All right, the next thing we have here is a full-size product here, if I can grab it. So this is a mask. If you follow my blog or my video, you guys know I love masks. So this is from Star Skin. It says 100% Camellia Nourishing and Brightening 2-Step Oil Sheet Mask. So that's what that looks like there. Let me see if I can see how much this one would be. Usually if you follow sheet masks and things like that, usually they can run between $2 and $10 is normally what you would pay for. But let me see, because I don't see how much this one is. Oh, here it is. This one is, like I said, $10. So sheet mask. If you go to my blog, you guys can see, or my videos, you guys can see the steps that I shared with what I do with my daily sheet mask. Well, I don't use them daily, sorry. I use it like 1 to twice a week. But I do have a 10-step process. If you guys want to check that out, that's on my YouTube. You guys can check it out. And then the last thing, last but not least, we have a full-size product. Like I told you, I love this company because they definitely send full-size products. This is from Purifying. This is a watermelon and charcoal purifying cleanser. So you guys can see, and I actually love Purifying. So this one is actually $18. And then let me see here. I actually got, and I reviewed it and it's on my blog, but I actually got the watermelon peel. This, I'm not even gonna open it because I am using a Drunk Elephant cleanser, but this, the watermelon peel smells like watermelon. So I'm sure this is gonna smell similar to it too. Now, I said this is $18. It says the cleanser removes the day's makeup and leaves behind a fresh, clean without drying you out. And I can say that from the mask, it does not dry you out. All right, so let us do a recap and see what all came in this box, right? So like we said, we got the Purifying in this month's box. And then we got, what did we get? We got Star Skin, the mask. And then we have the nail polish, nail sticks gel, whatever you want to call it. And then we got from La Roche, we got a $50 product. And then we have our lip stain. I love this. The smell of this, so summer. It reminds me of summer, so I love it. And then we have from Belief, we have the aloe vera, the new brand that they have there from aloe vera. So that is everything that came in this box. So what did you guys think? What did you guys think? Because they do give you different options. So your box may not look exactly the same. So I do like that. They kind of curate it based and everyone kind of gets different things. But let me know in the comment section below if you guys are subscribed to Allure. Like I said, I've had Allure over a year and I love their box. Definitely, if you don't get any beauty subscription and you just want to pick one, this is the one that you definitely want to go for sure, every month. So with that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And definitely stay tuned for the next video. Have a good day, guys.